today I'm doing the unboxing for this electric kettle. We're gonna see how well it works. Here's the kettle, we have the base, and it comes with a small manual. So here's the electric base, and the cord measures 27 inches. You can get it a little bit shorter by wrapping it around underneath. Here's our boiler, it's glass, and the minimum to maximum is 2 cups to 7.5 cups of water. This kettle also has a keep warm mode, and the construction of the kettle is glass, mainly glass, and the handle is plastic, and we have some stainless steel on the outside and also on the inside. I love the way the kettle is constructed. It's very wide at the lip, so it's easy for me to get my hand down in there and clean it when I need to. I'm going to be boiling 4 cups of water, so I'm just plugging my base in. Then I place my kettle on top. The starting temperature of my water is 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and it took 5 minutes for it to get up to temperature. After it gets to temperature, then the light and the button will turn off automatically, and it has a keep warm mode. So if you want to keep the water warm, you just press this button to turn it right back on, but you're not going to press the one on the bottom. And in the keep warm mode, the temperature fluctuates between 149 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. So the kettle performs as expected. It looks very nice with the glass and the blue lights inside, and with the stainless steel base, it really looks elegant in the space.